Hello, my name is Yuri Bogun-Sherin. I'm CEO and founder of AIM company, and I would like to present you AIMap. This is our product, software, intelligent platform that combines whole ecosystem of construction market players, starting from investors, contractors, subcontractors, architects, individual entrepreneurs. And this ecosystem has live weekly, we can make it even daily, renewal. So it's like intellectual ecosystem that brings you contacts, real-time feeling of what is going on the market of Ukraine. And why does it matter for Rebuild Ukraine? Because this instrument gives you opportunity to go to market, to understand how your construction technology can help to rebuild and, of course, earn some money and have a lot of contacts, feeling of what is growing, what type of construction is dropping, and where is this location, to build up necessary logistics and to build up your sales and marketing. So what we are offering? We are offering several layers of cooperation. First, of course, you can be a customer, subscriber of this platform. The second, you can be an investor to this platform. So it gives you much higher level of integration with your CRM and with your sales and marketing system. Also, teaser, we have such MVP for Polish market and French and Norwegian market. So we are open for cooperation. Click the link beyond this video and scan QR code and contact me. I am open for communication. I'm here on Rebuild Ukraine. See you together, forward to victory.